pasok
Okay, go.
okay. Pero alam natin yung status ng cinema ngayon. Medyo like, nasa ano ka, parang...
Hindi ganun ka
Yes,
bongga.
Yes.
pero why, bakit ganun kaka-push at gumawa ng films pa? Like, tingnan mo
At ang dami niyang pelikula ha.
Yes, why?
Because films raised me. I love films. Film ang sa mga bagay na pinakamamahal ko sa mundong to. It raised me, it shaped me to be who I am. Mga pelikula na papanood ko. So mula bata pa ako. Kaya nung nakapasok na ako sa industriya, nung nagkaroon na ako ng opportunity para gumawa ng pelikula and maging part ng mga pelikula myself, syempre na-enjoy ko and I love it. And it's an art form that I never would want to die, you know? I feel like ang dami pang pwedeng ma-explore ng art form na to. And it's still so young, you know? It's 100 years old pa lang, a little over 100 years old pa lang here in the Philippines. And unlike art na paintings, fine arts, diba? Or music na centuries old na talaga, film is fairly young and parang unfair kung hayaan nating tuluyang mawala ang cinema. Lalo na ang Philippine cinema. Kaya I'm proud to be part of Sunshine, proud to be part of films like that na challenge yung audiences and malaking pasasalamat sa mga audiences na naging open-minded, na sumuporta sa sariling atin sa local cinema.
Speaking of Sunshine, ano masasabi mo sa tagumpay ng pelikula?
Yun nga, kasi nakaka-grateful. So, I'm so grateful about it. And I'm sure the whole team is too. And parang mas naging hopeful ako nowadays. So parang ngayon nakikita natin ano ba yung hanap ng Filipino audience. They want fresh stories, they want timely stories, they want great performances, great filmmaking, and just a good movie overall. So at least ngayon alam natin yun and nakaka-excite saan papapunta yung Philippine cinema. And sana patuloy lang yung suporta ng mga tao sa panonood ng sine at pumunta talaga kayo sa sine kasi iba talaga, promise. Iba ang Netflix, iba sa bahay lang manood eh. Like ako, I'm a purist talaga pagdating sa cinema. As much as possible, I wanna watch it in the big screen always.
Pero maliban niya sa maganda tapos naging word of mouth yung Sunshine, nakatulong din daw kasi yung mababa yung ticket price.
Yun, exactly.
Yes.
Yeah, and I see the other movies releasing now.
Yung mga Filipino
ginagawa
films.
na rin yun, right?
Yeah, sa SM.
I mean, I know that Sunshine's not the first na nagbaba ng tickets, pero ngayon nakikita sana ng mga cinema owners and ng mga cinema goers na it really is a factor. It's still a factor na. Kasi diba, like, to pay for a ticket na 400 kaysa sa 250, at least dalawa na kayo nakanood sa 500 mo, diba? Kaysa 400 na isa ka lang. And mas maraming chances, mas maraming hindi naman kasi tayo lahat privileged, you know. It's a privilege to watch in the big screen, to watch inside the cinema. So sana maging considerate tayo lahat doon and malaking pasalamat sa mga cinema owners also na nag-compensate, nag-adjust, and naging open sa ideas na to.
Elijah, since you're speaking na parang yung love mo about sa cinema and
Sobrang.
yung pag-watch sa big screen,
Yeah.
any like core memory going to cinema? Like, fond memory?
Siguro when I saw, kumari last week, I saw Weapons.
Yeah!
Weapons was amazing. It was a great experience. I saw it IMAX and it was really, really good. Also last year, Dune Part 2, I saw it like 3 times in IMAX. Like, ganun siya kaganda experience. But I remember my very first cinema memory, pinaka naalala ko na una. The Incredibles, yung Pixar. Tapos I just remember hindi ko alam ilang taon ako, 5 or 6 years old. Yung tumatakbo si Dash sa water. Like, napatili ako doon. Like, ganun yung power and magic ng cinema. Like, it really brings you closer to those stories.
Pero nung gumawa ka, unang beses mong gumawa ng movie, kamusta experience mo and ano yung naraalala mo?
Bata pa ako noon, sundalong kanin, and most of my co-actors, mga bata din. Kaya parang lang kami naglalaro sa set, parang ina-enjoy ko. And also, ibang-iba, doon ko natutunan yung kaibahan ng theater acting, sa film acting. First time ko may experience yung film kasi to be framed like that, iba yung adjustments dapat na ginagawa. But wala akong siya maalala, basta alam ko lang, in-enjoy ko lang siya, and puyatan pa nun, wala pang Eddie Garcia Luna nun eh. And iba pang galaw ng
24 hours.
Oo, iba pa. But of course, I'm grateful for the O'Hara family. Lagi ko sinasabi na sila nakapag-discover sa akin. Sila naglagay sa akin sa very first movie ko.
And recently, you just finished the film Salvage Land, yung shooting ng Salvage Land. I was working with Richard Gomez, and sa Pampanga, right, yung lahat ng
Yeah, most of
the scenes.
Most of it. Yeah, sa Pampanga, most of it. Ano ba? Paano ba? He's a funny guy. He's a cool guy. Di mo makakalain, syempre, naging mayor na to, congressman, a big star. Kaya to see him have so much humility, even at his age, even at this stage of his life, nakaka-inspire. Kaya ako mas natutuwa makatrabaho talaga yung mga veterans kasi doon mo makikita yung what it takes to have longevity in this industry. And yung disiplina, like hindi siya nalilate, like crazy. Tapos ready siya lagi and open siya lagi to collaborate. He has so many insights. And excited ako na mapanood niyo yung pelikula.
Kapag may nakakatrabaho ka bang mga big stars or mga veterans, hindi ka ba kinakabahan? And, yeah.
Or na-starstruck ka pa ba?
Ever since kasi siguro, parang ever since last person na starstruck talaga ako, si Glock 9. Pero that's not a knock on Kongoma, not a knock on anybody. Like, I just want to, I go into a film set kasi thinking that this is work, you know, that we're trying to make something and lahat tayo, we're all collaborators. In some way, medyo pantay-pantay, di ba? Kasi collaborators tayo, we all make this film as a whole, as a unit. So, yeah, parang, pero syempre, ano ako, like, respeto talaga ako. Like, nag-iingat ako sa galaw ko, nag-iingat ako sa sasabihin ko. Kasi, syempre, you have to have that respect for people like Kongoma, like Agamulak, like all these veterans. And nakakatawa kasi in-invite ko siya manood ng Dagitab, yung play na ginawa ko a couple of months ago. The day before nung first show namin, sabi niya, kailan yan? Bukas, punta ako. Sinama niya si Mayor Lucy. Nanood talaga sila, like, nagulat ako, you showed up, like, crazy.
Kamusta naman yung experience mo sa theater? I mean, I know you're a good artist and may background ka na talaga. Pero kamusta naman yung itong working with Miss Mary?
Last year yung kay Mama
sorry,
Meme.
this
This time
is
si
one.
Ate Ago,
Yes,
Georgette Lorenzo, Benedix, and Sam Samarita.
Yeah.
I love this film. It's based on a Cinemalaya film kasi The Gitab was the same batch as my first film, 2014. I love the film. I'm a fan of the film ever since. So nalalaman kong gagawing play ng idol sa theater, like a great one. Wag kang get sa manigalan yan. He's really one of the best ever to do it here in Philippine theater. Kaya to be in a play directed by him, adapted by him, it's a blessing. So, in-enjoy ko siya malala. Sana mapanood nyo, September sa Makati. Yeah, magre-release kami soon ng details niya.
And now you're also a host dito sa Vine.
Yeah,
Kamusta
yan ang
yung
bagong
experience?
ginagawa
Nagulat
natin.
kami.
Ako din, nagulat din ako eh.
Nakita ko yung name mo.
Ako din eh.
Paano ulit?
Nagulat din ako. Honestly, I was very wary to
Nervous
accept
ba?
it. Hindi rin, parang hindi ko din siya branding. Yun yung nasa isip ko when it was being pitched to me. But pinag-usapan namin ng team ko, ng management, and they were like, you know, you should try something else, you know? Try natin bigyan yung fans mo ng more opportunities to see you as you, di ba? Na hindi ka lagi character, hindi ka lagi kontrabida o bida or whatever. Na as you,
Cool
as a
lang,
host,
chill.
chill lang, you enjoying, you having
Your other
fun.
side.
Yeah, tas ngayon na we're ilang episodes in na ba? Well, everyday kasi siya, pero 2 weeks na kami doing this. Masabi ko na, enjoy ko siya. Medyo ibang level of energy lang hinihingi ng hosting. But,
Yeah.
Everyday siya, no?
yeah, everyday siya. Pero hindi ako everyday. Depende sa schedule din.
Pero maiksi lang yung work, di ba? Kumpara sa taping.
May tanghali at gabi kasi
parang
sila.
ito yung main show every Sunday, it's at night. We air at night. Pero call time namin, syempre may rehearsals. Napapaaga yung call time minsan. Sometimes may rehearsals kami the previous days, ganyan. So ngayon ko lang na-experience tong hosting time. Sana supportahan yung vibe. Pero also like, I really support the show kasi hindi kasi ako I don't know how to say it. Vain? Ganun. Hindi ako masyado vain. Hindi ako masyado ano sa sarili ko. Pero that's why I love the show kasi it's not really about the hosts. It's not really about us. It's really about OPM.
Yeah.
And we really champion OPM. It's a countdown show na parang mix. Ganun. But oh shit. hindi siya mix. Pero it's a different show. It's its own concept din talaga. And for a while, lahat kami parang, ano ba talaga to? Ano ba talaga to? But now na ginagawa na namin siya, sobrang gets and sobrang
Yeah.
nakakatuwa na may show na ganito, na may sumusuporta at nagcha-champion ng OPM music.
At saka, sige.
What have you learned about yourself na in terms of
Ano yung na-discover mo
Oo.
as a mag-host?
Makulit din pala talaga ako.
Makulit ka naman.
Oo, makulit din. Hindi ko, ngayon ko lang din talaga na-confirm na may kakulitan din pala talaga ako. And, nakaya ko siya, I guess yon kasi like seeing friends do it, seeing Miles do it, na mag-host lang, nakikita ko parang it's not for me, gumagano ako dati, but now that I'm doing it, I get the love for the craft ng hosting.
And you're also, parang doing a teleserye. Yung Hello Heaven.
Yes, soon. Ilo-launch namin yan sa tamang panahon.
Pero
Very soon.
How are you preparing for that project?
Well, wala pa. I'm working on a couple other things right now kasi I'm still working. Actually, I'm working on Edge Up still. We have a couple more days. Savage Land, we have a couple more days. Ano ba? Parang...
Ang dami, nahirapan ka.
Dami.
Yun. Actually, I'm trying to make time this month, this August, for music. Kasi pagdating ng October, November, December, wala na talagang bakante. So, dapat tapos na yung album by early September.
Pero without giving too much details, ano yung magiging role mo dito sa Hello Heaven?
Not trying.
Palagay na ba?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Basta rin
It's yet to be revealed
revealed.
nakalagay eh.
Oo.
I guess bawal pa. Kasi
Pero third
bawal
wheel
pa
ba?
po. Bawal pa daw.
Third
Bawal
wheel
pa.
ba? Ganun.
Bawal pa daw po. Secret lang.
Bawal. Hindi
Pero
natin na ano.
magpapakinig ka ba dito? Bad?
Basta I know, I would say it's a light show. It's a
light
family
show.
show.
Okay.
It's in the spirit of shows like May Bukas Pa or 100 Days to Heaven. In that spirit lang.
so
I'm
they get the
talking
vibe.
about tone na. I'm talking about the vibe lang. I'm talking about the vibe. Yeah, I guess wala pang pwede sabihin. Ito lang. Yung tatlong yan and Directo Neta.
Pero have you met Julia and Ken?
I've met Julia a couple times. We've hung out a couple times. Very close din sila ni Miles. Tapos si Ken,
Ah, yeah,
I met
kasi
nung
nagsama sila sa
MMFF
Senyo.
Awards lang.
Nag-host sila sa Itbulaga.
Tsaka nasa Itbulaga sila na ako pareho. So, si Ken I met nung MMFF Awards lang.
Tsaka nagsama sila din sa teleserye before.
Nagsikhan pa.
Speaking of music din, Elijah, sino pa yung gusto mo makakollaborate sa dami-dami mo?
Oh my God,
Like,
naka-collaborate
top of
ko
your
one
mind.
of my favorite female Filipino rappers, si Ashanti, nung Friday, and part siya ng album. Collaborate ko si Kale. I don't know, syempre mga rappers to, mga underground rappers yung mga sinasabi ko pero kung mainstream, syempre si Flo G, si Glock 9, Shanty Dope, Abby and Mary, all those people. I'm down to collaborate with anyone kasi nga syempre music is not really my strong suit. But I'm learning the ropes of it. So, grateful ako sa lahat ng collaborators so far na may patience sa akin at tinuturuan talaga ako ng tamang way to make music, tamang process.
Yan. And sa theater naman, you've mentioned na magkakariran ulit yung Dagitab sa September. And in this rerun kasi ibang lugar na kayo. Dati sa
Yes.
old com sa Ateneo, tapos dito sa PMPC.
Sa Circuit Makati,
yeah,
Power
Circuit
Mac.
Makati.
Yun.
So iba yung place and also, ano yung pwede mo masabi na magiging difference niya from the first run?
Well, definitely mas maraming audience kasi 80 seats lang kami our first run sa Ateneo. Now we're looking at larger audience, definitely over 100, maybe almost 200. Ganun kadami. May magic din yung intimate
Intimacy
setting
din eh.
sa Ateneo. So we have rehearsals. We're gonna start soon to rehearse. Mag-a-adjust kami, of course. But generally, it's the same staging and I'm excited for more people to see it kasi
Yeah,
technically,
ganda.
konting-konti pa lang ang nakapanood niyan. And napaka-swerte ko sa cast and sa director and sa writer and sa material generally. Kaya sana mapanood niyo guys.
Yeah. Kayo pa rin ba yung magiging cast or magkakaroon na ng
Kami pa rin.
alternate?
Kami pa rin yan.
Pero
Yes.
last na lang from me, how do you manage your time? Kasi ang dami mong ginagawa eh.
With the help of my team, syempre sila yung considerate sila minsan na parang i-late call time ka namin dito para makapagpahinga ka, i-move natin to kasi late ka na natapos dito. So with the help of my team, they really guide me, they really take care of me and I'm grateful to them. But also, just not really overthinking it, just being in the moment. Feeling ko that's helped me a bunch. Nowadays na pag nandun ako, kumari, nandito ako, in-enjoy ko lang yung company nyo. Pag nasa film set ako, in-enjoy ko yung proseso ng paggawa ng pelikula. So just being in the moment really helps.
Last na lang.
Go lang.
May plans
We have
ba
time, we have time, guys.
to continue or yung Game Boys?
Oh,
Wala pang
yung
plans.
NYC.
Well, I've heard, ibang level kasi siya. Ang alam ko lang that it's really gonna take a long time before we start working on it again. Kasi yung
Iba-iba.
concept ng 3 ay needs more
Some
time.
maturity.
Oo, medyo. So, hindi ko pa alam. Wala pa talagang napag-uusapan or anything.
Pero
But-
napag-uusapan niyo ba siya ni Kokoy? Like, kasi madalas,
Oo, madalas kami magkasama ni Kokoy. Not really, like nasa ibang phase na rin kami. Oo, mas nandun na kami sa kamusta ka, miss kita, ganyan. Sana okay ka, kamustahan, pamilya, trabaho, sa isa't isa. Ganoon kami. And I'm glad na nakip namin ni Kokoy yung bond na yun.
Sorry, last question for me. Seeing these posters, no, iba-iba yung like yung...
Itsura ko sa lahat.
Yes! Sorry, nalimutan ko. Hindi yung reaction, yung... Di ba? Parang magkakaiba talaga siya. So, hindi ka ba nalilito na like juggling these characters? Kasi syempre magkakadikit.
Nalilito ako.
Nadadala mo ba yung
Lalo sa
character?
TV. Sa TV kasi mas urgent, mas mabilis yung galaw. Sa pelikula, mas may buti na lang and I'm very grateful na may luxury na ako ngayon na pumili ng project. So, kapag pumili ako, bibigay ko lahat. I try not to do a lot of projects at the same time. Para pag pelikula gusto ko, focused ako. Kasi ganyan. Pero syempre sa TV, focus din ako doon. Wala akong sinasabi, wala akong focus doon. Ibig ko lang sabihin na mas mabilis lang kasi yung galawan. Unlike film na can take time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Congratulations.
Oh.
So, if you have one word to describe your exhibit right now, what will that be?
Word, honored? Parang grateful, blessings. I don't know. Nandun lang ako sa point na it's all surreal to me na I'm at this point. Kasi syempre, I came from nothing and now I have the blessing of having all these opportunities and I get to do what I love to do and not everybody has that opportunity, right? So, nandun lang ako sa just making the most out of it and staying kind in the process. Thank you.
Thank you. Ito yung last question din, Elijah.
Go.
How does it feel na part ka ng mga theater stage play, tas movie and series din, and lalo ngayon yung stage play is thriving, like every month ata sobrang dami, like that. And mas marami na nakaka-appreciate.
Nakakatuwa kasi it's like the hard work is paying off, you know, like all those years of struggling, of trying to learn a lot, trying to learn more, trying to get here or even wherever pa patungo to kasi patuloy lang naman yung araw-araw. Pero ito nagbubunga din pala. Ayun, you know, kasi syempre may mga panahon na isipin mo, pa ba ito patungo, may patutunguhan pa ba ito. Pero mga araw like this, you know, seeing all these pictures, this exhibit, na inayos tong cornerstone for us today, sobrang laki lang ng pasalamat ko talaga.
Ayan. And lastly, ngayon ba na feel mo na parang from before na yung sa Sandalong Kanin hanggang ngayon, can you feel the fame na parang, alam mo yan, sobrang layo na narating mo, ito na yun, parang like something like that.
I don't really look at fame. Hindi ko talaga pinapansin yung fame like that. Pero napapansin ko kung gaano kalayo na nakarating. Binibigyan ko sarili kong credit, di ba? Parang nagbubunga naman yung mga ginagawa mo. Maayos ka naman, just keep it up, you know, stay kind, whatever. Pero hindi ko iniisip masyado yan. Pero syempre, ibang-iba na yung dati nag-jeep ako sa recto, dati nag-LRT ako.
Dami na, hindi mo.
Ngayon, ang taga ko na hindi nagagawa yun. Dati, wala talaga ang papansin sa'yo. Tapos ngayon, konting mo lang, may mga kilala sa'yo. So I'm very grateful to everybody who's believed in me. This is all because of everybody who's believed in me. Lahat ng mga filmmakers, producers na nakatrabaho ko, mga co-actors ko that vouch for me, that believe in me, and sa fans, of course, na hanggang ngayon sumusuporta kahit nga hindi nga ako masyado active online and medyo private talaga ako sa person. So, this is all because of them, not really me. Alam mo yun, may ginagawa din ako with my craft, nandun lang ako nakafocus, pero everything else, it's because of you guys.
Yeah, sobrang humble kasi. Congrats!